When a patient books a hearing test, or a patient's spouse or a family member books an appointment, we know that the hearing loss did not just happen. It has been a long process of denial and frustration. At Here for Life, we are sensitive to the patient's journey. Our hearing assessments are complimentary and conducted by qualified, licensed professionals that know what you are going through. We like when you bring your spouse or your family members to the appointment, as they will supply support and encouragement for you to proceed to better hearing. Firstly, we begin by asking some medical questions. Are you experiencing any dizziness? Do you have any ringing in your ears? Have you been in a background of noise, for instance? Then I ask, what brought you in today? I know that something recently triggered them to come in. They missed an important question at a conference, or the TV is on too loud for their partners, or they just didn't hear their grandkids. Something has either frustrated them, angered them, or embarrassed them. I need to know their difficulties so that I can help. We at Here for Life conduct a thorough audiological assessment using the latest audiometric equipment. We present tones and ask you to push a button. If you hear it, ask you to repeat back words. Find out where speech is the most comfortable for you. We make this complex situation simple and easy for you. After the test, we share the results with you, explain why you're having trouble, and discuss how we can help you with the latest hearing aid technology that would best suit your lifestyle, your hearing loss, and your comfort level. Book a hearing test. It's painless.